Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Happy 3rd of the month. Happy New Year. And yeah, so I'm debating because it's been a rainy New Year if I need to layer up or not. Because it's cold and it's raining and it's going to be raining on and off all day today. So I have this on, which I love the shirt, my WandaVision shirt. But it doesn't keep me warm. But I am gonna have probably this jacket on, which is the jacket that Priscilla gave me, what Danny Priscilla gave me for Christmas. And this seems a little bit more warm than usual. But I'm debating if I should put layers on my actual thing. I don't know. I do not know because I don't have any undershirts to go with it. I need to go. Yeah. I don't have any undershirts. I only have t-shirts. But yes, so I'm debating if I should do something about that. Because I know I usually get my undershirts from Old Navy, but I haven't stepped foot in Old Navy in a really, really long time. So yeah. Okay, I'll talk to you guys a little bit. Hopefully this time I can actually get my computer fixed, because last time we went late and they didn't do crap. And you know how the people in the whole Genius Bar are like picky with their timestamps and all of that. So yeah. But good morning. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay. I'm a sucker for these. Let's see, Pokemon, Mario Brothers. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, the yellow rabbit. How adorable. These never fit me. That's why I go to the men's section. But still, these are really, really, really cute. And I love me some Target shopping. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm getting this one. I'm a sucker for baby Yoda. This is cute. Alrighty guys, so I'm back. Can someone please explain to me why I spent $10? I went to Target, I went to Family Dollar, and I went to Big Lots for this. It's $10. Where the hell is all the cat food at? Why is there a cat shortage of cat food? Can someone please explain that to me? Because this should at least cost $5, not 10. And they do like Frenchies, but they're very particular in the food that they like. I know they don't like anything with fish in it or anything with, they're very, very particular on the food that they get. So usually I get the Meow Mix or Frenchies, like soft, whatever, like digestive health or whatever. But literally $10 for this. And I feel bad because I haven't fed them in like 3 days. Because the cat food that I had went like that. It lasted me. Now, one thing I like about those big bags, they usually last me like give or take 2 to 3 months. Because I only feed them once. But sometimes I feed them twice. Because, you know, they're meowing at me like, Mom, where the fuck is my food? And the only way I can see Storm is literally giving him food. And then everything else. You know, Kyan is usually around somewhere around here. But usually sometimes he leaves the premises too. So they're literally smart cats. But still, $10 for this. Annoying as hell. I'm gonna make this last for a week because I have to make it last for a week. But yeah, so that sucks. But there's literally a shortage of food. Plus, the Target that we went to was very small. I couldn't even get shampoo or conditioner out of the mix. I'm like, oh, fucking shoot. So I'm like, okay, fine. But I used cash to pay this. I used my mom's cash to pay this, but still. $10. That sucks. I know it sucks. Big time. So I'm just gonna chill. We're gonna go to Costco and then we're probably gonna go to eat later. And also, they're charging me basically like they're basically charging me $100 to fix the whole thing. It takes 3 to 5 days to fix it. So yeah, I'm gonna go get it tomorrow. Next week, I have to go get my hair cut. So that's the first thing. And then I gotta pick up my thing, and then I have to go back to Costco, Target to get some more stuff. What it is. So, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, hi, Bad Bunny.
Oh, it did actually come back to you? What the hell?
Hello, boys. Did you miss me?
Not really.
Did you miss me, boys?
No. Adrian, are you lying?
Liam, did you miss my auntie? Burley?
Look, they put some crack in this.
They did not put no crack in that.
Oh, you guys are gonna play cool? Let's see if we can save that one because all the other ones we were always messing up the. I mean, losing the
Savannah. What's wrong, Mama? Okay, Mommy, love you. What's wrong? Okay, Mama. Did you miss me?
This for me. You want a fish? You want a fish? No?
Recording the food level, I'm recording you, babe. Thank you.
You think you want some water, please? Water?
Yes.
One?
Yes.
Tres.
Guys, I am tired as all hell. I'm gonna take a shower and I'm probably gonna put some Advil in my system because my back is killing me. Rain plus cold plus really bad backaches are not good for me. So literally it's been raining all week. It's going to continue to rain all week. So yeah. But yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. Happy. Ooh. We start of the new year, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know. By the way, that soup always puts me to bed. But yeah, I'm gonna probably take a shower. I got laundry to do tomorrow and all of that. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. May the Lord bless you today, tomorrow, always. And I'll be seeing you. Bye, guys. Good morning, good morning. Happy Wednesday, everyone. So this is probably the first time that my DoorDash came, and it's not like on top of my, like, right there, I guess. And it came like this and not in a bag. That's weird. Usually it comes in a bag, but good morning, happy Wednesday, everyone. I want to spot a breakfast because I got to talk to Dr. B today, and I'm very excited. We're talking about repertoire, hopefully, or whatever we got to talk about. Yeah. No, it's early, like, it's really early, like 9:30ish, and that's early for me. Especially during my break. But good morning. Talk to you guys later. But it was weird. I was literally calling DoorDash like, they stole my food. But they put in a different order. I guess the door was open or the gate was open. And I guess, and I looked at the picture and I'm like, ah. Okay, so I was like, y'all better give me compensation because he stole my food. But yeah, but good morning. Talk to you guys later. Alrighty guys, so I am done talking with her. And I'm crying because of a really good experience. And I know I don't need anyone's validation but myself. But I finally feel validated. I finally feel good about it, and she's honest, and I love her for being honest with me. I don't know what are my goals. I'm like to teach and perform, like to gig, and like to be in a good ensemble, like to get really good paid, and to teach, because realistically that's what I want to do. And like, because opera, it's gonna be a really hard road if you want to do this solo wise, which is true. So I'm not putting myself out there. I know whatever happens. I just want to do whatever I have to, and also gigging and solo work or whatever, cute little church gigs. Because we all need sopranos, don't we? But she's amazing. She's fucking amazing, and I finally feel validated. And this is my second time recording this. She's like, it's a little too old, which is true. 30-year-olds, it's gonna take 20 plus years to whatever. But if I can cover, which technically in the opera world, especially, or a swing in regional musical theater, because musical theater is easier than opera. It is what it is. I'll figure something out. Trust me, as an ensemble, I'm always the one who stands out of all my friends, literally. If you watch me my opera workshop days, I'm the one who literally stands out of all of them. So yeah. But I finally feel validated, and I feel safe, and I feel accepted. And it took me, I wish that it would have been sooner, but in a way, I'm kind of glad that it didn't happen. I don't know, it's just weird. But, and we're gonna go back to old school musical theater. So we're gonna go back to, getting to know you, my own little corner, TW, the Music Man, Rogers and Hammerstein. So I'll get as much as I can, as Mulan, Little Mermaid, Anastasia, even though I don't know if I have some of my old repertoire. But it's going to be good. It's going to be good. No matter what happens, no matter where this career leads me, how old or how young, because technically, it's gonna lead me to where it's gonna lead me. Because technically, Judy was like in her 50s or something when she became famous or something like that. I love Just Judy. But it is what it is. So, yeah. It's in the stars for a reason. And also, it's going to be raining all day today. All day. But yeah. So, I will see. I'm gonna look up what I can give her. So, look up what I can give her. I'll tell you guys a little bit what I'm gonna give her. I'm gonna look up through my music right now. But I'm gonna take a nap. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay. Coffee, even though it's cold outside in noodles for lunch. Yummy. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna send her for now. I'm gonna send her Niño Precioso. I'm gonna definitely send her this, which is Until There Was You. There's so many songs on here that I don't remember. I'm gonna definitely send her this. I hate Sally Gardens. I really, really hate Sally Gardens with a fucking passion. But I'll send her Sally Gardens. And getting to know you. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I'm sending her this, but I don't want to really see it if I don't have to. All my markings. Sending her this possibly. I'm definitely gonna repeat this song again because I love this song so much and it's one of my favorites. But the songs that I really want to relook at are this. Again, like if I had to choose out of all these, well, how many songs are this one? Like maybe out of these 5, I'll pick this song. I'll pick Rodgers and Hammerstein's again. I'll pick this one, and then I'll pick and I'll pick this one. And obviously, when I fall in love, but I don't have my laptop on me, the only thing I have is my music file. So a bunch of this is going in here, which majority of these, I found these online for free. So I gotta redo that again, because obviously a bunch of these, and she was like files of my music. And obviously, that's what she's gonna get. And for now, I gotta use this as my main laptop source. But, oh, by the way, I changed my nail polish for the first year. So my first nail polish of the year is this one, if you can't focus. There we go. Oldie but a goodie. Bikini Tinkini, which I really, really love. I would say it's a 3-coater, but it does smudge a little bit, so you have to be careful. 2-coater if you're heavy-handed like I am. And obviously, I was wearing this one for the New Year's, which I really love. Absolutely love. So yeah, it was a reminder of my music, which this technically hurts my back. But I'll figure something out to put all my music in. So yeah, time to rework all of this music, basically. Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Say bye to the vlog, honey.
Alright. Chapsies, get the heck out of here.
What happened, Chapsies?
I remember something.
What happened?
You me money. No,
How do I owe you
bro.
money?
Why you keep coming in this in the goddamn worst time?
Okay. See you guys tomorrow. It's gonna be a rainy week. But see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah. Really,
Tired. My head is like a sinus headache. It doesn't want to go away. Oh Lord. But yes. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. May the Lord bless you today, tomorrow, always, and I'll be seeing you. Anything
Tomorrow
else?
I will be leaving, and I will not have to be there.
Okay. What else?
And another thing, I'm getting a monkey.
You are getting a monkey, a stuffed monkey from Costco, which I thought was like really, really cute. They had like a little monkey family. It was really, really cute.
You guys want to see a photo?
Sure. Is that Mom?
That's my dad.
Oh, okay.
I'll call him right now. The monkey squad. It's the monkey squad.
Is it? Oh, that's cute.
I gotta call my dad.
Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.